What happened to it? It's not. It is working.
Must not working.
Let me see. What are we doing? Can you tell everybody what you're doing?
I'm watching Pretend TV.
She's watching Pretend TV. You heard her. She is so into pretending these days.
Mom, what's broken again?
It's not broken again.
It is.
Oh my goodness.
Mom. I'm gonna put it back.
Let me see your Pretend TV. It's dark. Oh no, it's dark. It's dark.
Why is it dark in here?
She's watching her Pretend TV. What are you watching?
She's watching Shimmer and Shine. I'll put it on, baby.
Will you do me a favor and pick up the sticks since you finished?
Yeah.
Let me see your Pretend TV.
See?
Oh, how lovely. I love that.
White, red, green, yellow.
Cool.
Blue. And purple. My TV. Mom, my TV. That TV has YouTube too. Turn the TV back.
Maybe you need to take it to the Pretend mechanic to get it fixed.
What's a mechanic?
Or the repairman. What is a mechanic? He fixes what?
Kids. Car.
Yes.
Can I Hi.
Hi. You say hi?
Let me make this sound.
You finish your dinner? Go
Mom, I
finish.
want my dribble.
What you making?
A circle. I'm making some pretend berries.
You making some pretend berries now? And you traded up your pretend TV for the abacus?
This is a computer. Ta-da!
Beautiful.
Oh.
Let me see what you made. Since you have the abacus now.
I made a strawberry.
You made a strawberry?
I made some berries. A witch trap.
How nice.
I made.
Let me see.
I made some berries.
You made some berries?
Some pretend berries.
Some pretend berries. And what else did we do? You guys spelled all your words?
The pretend berries are not done.
Oh, they're not done right now?
Yeah. They're not done.
They're not done yet?
No. A, B, a drum.
Did we count? Did we count to 50 with the abacus?
Mom, I can count all the way to 100.
No. Will you get that color pencil for me right there, Layla?
Oh,
Put it on the table.
1, 2,
Clean the floor.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
to bed.
10,
Oh, goodness.
11,
Excuse me.
12, 100.
Wait. I will pass it to you.
I need some berries.
Put it on.
I did get the pants. My trusty. How do you do this? I need to find a watermelon.
Turn it around this way.
Watermelon. Is this in my plate? I'm just.
You can use. I see the watermelon. Yay! Like on your Sesame Street words.
I'm chilling. That says Elmo.
I know. Yes.
You can use that gift story.
Uh-huh.
I'll show you. Can I get some of your soda?
You can use it like a nightlight.
Mom, that's why we
I know.
used to read it.
Yes, we have read that.
We can use it as a nightlight. Get that. Get the big red wolf look. Yeah. Let's see what else stories there are. Here.
It's 10 minutes to 9. Can you stand up on the table? No, I'll get it. I see. There's 2 letters. I'll get it. Go put that cup in the trash. I'll get it. Watch out there.
Let me take a picture.
I'll do it. Wait a minute.
Wonderful.
Wait a minute. Wonderful. Be careful with that book, okay? Because it needs to be fixed.
Look, there was heavy. I made a painting.
You made a painting. Let me see your painting.
Let me.
Oh, how beautiful.
I made a
What happened to the words? I thought we had all the words on here. What happened? You guys mixed them all up again? Where does it go? Good job.
No. Noah.
Uh-oh. Noah.
Little pig.
There we go.
Where this goes? There. Here. Little Red Riding Hood. Uh-oh. The big bad wolf. It's trying to eat her grandma.
We'll go through every shelf in this
Go to
room
the end. Hold on. The end.
use, look at, play with everything.
Mom.
But I don't mind. That
My
tells me
favorite story.
I am doing the right thing. We have plenty,
What's
not
the whole story?
too much. Everything gets used. 3 billy goats.
Mom.
Yes, ma'am.
No, you don't want to Billy Goat read this book.
Oh, okay. The 3 billy goats grew up.
Mom, don't read this because it's gonna be hard for you.
It's gonna be hard for me to read it.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's gonna take forever.
Oh.
Yeah. So don't read it. There's
okay.
a lot of people.
Oh yeah. If I try to read that whole book at one time, yeah, we'd be reading all day.
We're only gonna read a little. Not a lot.
Not a lot.
Okay. When we go to bed, let's read a story. Like we read Ramona. Mom. Later, can we go get a dog from the pet shop?
We'll see. What is that?
The troll.
The troll. You see the troll?
Yeah, right there. Is that the leg? No, that's its face. I see the word goblin. Where? Right there.
Is that the word goblin?
Yeah.
Sure is.
Goblin?
Gobble,
Right
gobble.
Here. Gobble, gobble.
Or gobble, not goblin, gobble. Close.
Gobble. That says gobble up goats for supper. See?
Yes, it sure does.
A lot of paper.
I see a lot of paper.
See? A lot of pages. The troll. This smells good. Where's the troll? There. The troll. Nasty feet. His sharp nail. That's disgusting. The fish don't like them either. There he is.
So you reading the story to everyone?
The troll's gonna see him through that hole and that. Give me the screwdriver so I can fix this. Move
Wait a
the
minute, some
door.
more batteries.
No. Lila, look. Knock. The troll. Oh my God. If anyone crosses this bridge, the troll will just jump out. No. Well, I can't get over the gate. You're locked. No.
What are you doing?
I'm trapped, Mom.
Why are you trapped? Well, you know what? Since you're trapped, see the blocks, the wooden blocks? Can you put those in the basket? Since you're trapped down there on the floor?
Okay, you can cry out. I can't write it.
Clean up, crew. The janitor is off duty.
What is this, Terry?
Is it Friday? Nope, it's Thursday. But
It's Thursday? No. Yeah. Thursday. And then Wednesday.
yeah, the days of the week song.
Monday, and then Tuesday, and then Wednesday, and then Thursday, and then Friday.
And then Saturday.
Monday, and Tuesday, and Wednesday, and Thursday, and Friday, and Saturday,
And Sunday.
and Monday. Here comes Saturday.
Oh, look
Here
at
comes
Leah.
this.
Leah's singing it. Found all the blocks. Layla, get the pegs up. Get the light bright pegs up. And I just realized I swept the room this morning.
What?
And it looks like this.
They will let me
You guys
be
are-
trapped forever. I want me. Can I be trapped?
Wrecking crew.
Yes. Okay.
What you reading?
Mama, I got the game so I can be
Huh?
trapped. So I can be trapped. Looking at it.
Oh, okay.
She said you can be trapped with me. Oh, Layla, move her. I'm just reading. Let me be trapped. I'm just reading it in quiet.
Quietly, silent reading. Yes. Okay. I'm sorry I disturbed you. We'll get untrapped.
Mom, we got away. Get out. You ain't getting out. No. I got out. No. Not the troll. Let's just sneaky.
You have all the blocks up?
I'm a something.
There's one behind you, by your foot.
Where? Now there's a lot. Later to be. I'm back. Okay, get over it. I'm just kidding. Did you lock the door? Yeah, I locked the door. I'm getting over the gate. No! I'm still trapped.
What you make? Camera.
Here's some gum. Here's some gum. Bake some gum. Bake some gum. Bake some gum. Yeah.
She said make.
Bake some gum. Mom, does make and rake rhyme?
They do very good.
Now. And now I need to rake and cake rhyme.
They do very good. That's great, Layla.
It's a potato. Ah!
That was in your reading book, right?
Yeah.
In your workbook. Good
Why
job.
my stain come off here?
It got wet.
It got wet.
Oh, excuse me.
Give me.
Yawning.
Happen.
Knowing all the time we don't go to bed till. What time do we go to bed?
Saturday.
I said what time? 11 o'clock on a good night?
No. I'm gonna do this.
Oh my goodness. Sometimes I look up, it's 11:30.
I'm gonna do this puppet show. I want another puppet. Mom, I'm gonna do this puppet show.
You want to do the puppet show? Okay.
I got this. I got the puppet show. Puppet show. Darn it. Hello. Hello. I got your candy. Here. Right. Hello, Rye. My name is Gingerbread.
Where are the rest of the gingerbread man?
It's lost.
How are they lost? Who can't find theirs? Oh, sorry, Sheree. You found your gingerbread man?
I saw mine in the room.
Where's your wolf?
Mom,
Yes, sir.
what is this word?
Can you spell it for me?
I have a puppet show. Hello.
Was it a new word?
Hello.
Trap. Oh, I see. It's a compound. It's
Hello,
trapping.
guys. Trapping.
Trapping.
The wolf.
You pay attention to the end of the word.
Mom,
Yes.
I cut the wolf.
Oh goodness. And see if you see an ending, and that'll give you a clue.
The wolf.
Okay.
I see a wolf. I see it.
That'll give you a clue as to how to say it.
Is it
I
getting
said-
it out, please?
Look for words inside of words.
No, I'm not too.
I don't know where your wolf. They were in here in the bin, in the book bin. What happened to them?
Mom, see the fox?
Where's the fox? Oh, I see one over there. You see one? It's in that book bin. You got it? There he is.
What? I'll catch him. A lizard! Wait.
So now you having your puppet show?
Why does it keep on moving? Little, look.
Look.
I know. I cut it the tail off.
Zai's doing the puppet
I cut
show.
it with my hand. Look.
I see.
Wait, let me hold one.
Let me see.
Look.
Let me see.
Little
No, leave them in the container.
Let
leave
Mom
them-
see. Just don't be afraid.
Put them in the container.
Put them in the container.
And then we need to listen to Zai. She's having a puppet show. Put it in the container, Leah.
Put it in the container. They'll bite you.
They're not gonna bite.
I can't.
Put it in the container.
So Mom can see them.
You are just infatuated.
See this?
Where's the other one? Oh.
Right here. Mom, the other one. I just saw this one.
Okay.
I saw
Put it
the
in-
other one.
Put it in the container. Let's listen to Zai and do her puppet show.
I saw this one. Open
All right, Zai.
wide
Puppet show.
mouth.
Puppet show time.
Puppet show. Puppet show time.
Puppet show time.
Don't unlock it. Please.
What's the matter now?
They're gonna bite your neck. They bite.
Let's do the puppet show. Let me see, Zai. Zai, are you gonna do puppet show?
These won't bite.
No, they won't. But can you take them in there so
No,
we can
they
do the
will.
puppet show?
No, they will be. No, because when someone's catching them, they bite you to tell they want to go home.
Okay. Let me see you do your puppet show.
Dramatic.
Dramatic. Oh,
Dramatic.
oh, they're magic. I thought you said dramatic.
These.
Those are magic.
These. Pretend crayons.
Oh. Well, are you going to do your gingerbread man puppet show? What does the gingerbread man say? Run. What else does he say?
Catch. You can't catch me.
Good job. Let me see you. Let me see you do the puppet show.
Okay, what do you think the end?
Let me see you.
I put
You went off on something completely different.
These.
Okay, but what about the show?
These shows.
Let me see. You're not gonna
The lizard. Other shape. I got it.
Sorry.
Leah, put that in there. Leah, the other one. I need to cut these.
Let me see you do the puppet show.
They French fries.
They look like French fries.
Well, what if they tried? Well, what if they try to climb here and run into your clothes?
Okay, you wanna go take that in there?
No.
Not you. What does that know? Goodness. You want to help Zai with the puppet show?
Yeah.
Okay, get the puppet.
I
Come
want
on.
to help her with my puppet.
Okay, we'll get one.
Well, I only get one of those.
Those are the story sticks, not the puppets.
What
We have
story
some-
sticks?
Let me tell you a story. Let me tell you a story.
Yes.
Yeah. So to tell everybody what your book was about. Don't squish her in the table.
Okay.
Be nice.
And I puppet.
Let me see. What is this again? This is a deer, right? You drew a deer.
No, only a color.
But you drew it, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm a puppet.
Hi.
Mom showed him this.
Your drawing book.
I see it. Here comes the
Okay. Let me see them. Because I need to get ready to cut this. It's already long. Here. Not yet. Let me see you do the show.
Fast, Wolf.
No, don't be fast, Wolf.
Not so fast.
Not so fast?
The gingerbread man said that.
He said that?
Let me help Aaliyah do this. Aaliyah say. Run.
Run. He's running away. Is he running away fast?
Eat you.
Oh no, he wants to eat you.
He's coming.
Run.
I am.
What does he say? What does the gingerbread boy
Jump
say?
on my back. The gingerbread girl. Jump on my back.
Oh no, are you going to jump on his back? No. Say, you can't catch me.
You can't catch me.
I'm the gingerbread man.
I'm the gingerbread man.
Oh boy.
I know.
Oh
If I get on it to know that in the water, you gotta put one of these ones.
no. Okay.
Mom.
Thank you. Oh no, he's running away from that fox, isn't he?
That's
Off the table, sir.
Okay. Mom, the wolf's gonna come.
The wolf is coming?
I'm scared.
Oh no.
Run.
Run and hide.
I'm gonna eat you up, you yummy cookie. I'm not a cookie.
You're not a cookie. You're a gingerbread boy?
It feeds the gingerbread girl.
You really having fun doing that, huh?
Where's he?
You know, that is very irritating. Aaliyah, it's irritating. What do you think? You're an Aborigine or something? Okay.
That is a good spot.
I get it.
A bad spot.
You know, my kids are off the chain. What time? It's 10 minutes after 9. All right, let's get. If anybody wants some kids, they're free. Oh my goodness. Down in Australia, you're Aborigine. Okay. Let's say good evening and say thank you to all the boys and girls that are watching you. All the Let's say thank you. See you next time.
Subscribe for more of these videos. I want to